Singomakhanya sesithathe isinqumo sokuthi khumu kulento yokuthukana nani. Asisathuki umuntu manje. Akekho nje. Inhlamba nje sihlukene nayo for good. Awusobuye uphinde ngikhipha nelilodwa izwe libabayo ngomlomo wami. Inhlamba nje awusobuye uphinde ungizwe ngithuka. Zingane zakwethu seningaba kwethu nonke nina ngomakhanya. Phinde nje ngithuka inhlamba ngicela nalabo abebe enjoy inhlamba bangixolele nje. Phinde ngithuka inhlamba. Ekseni ngenze ivideo la ngathuka amakwelekwele. Bekuyivideo yokugcina ngci. Kodwa ngixolisi kuwo wonke umuntu esengake ngamthuka, angixolisi nje sidalo. Kuwo wonke umuntu ebengisamthukile angixolisi lezo nhlambe enganithuka ngazo zigcineni lapho ngakunina. Ya. Angisezothuka muntu, ayisekho futhi enye inhlamba engizoyi-eda kulese enganithuka ngayo. Salani senibamba lezo nje ziphelile manje inhlamba. Nami ngisenazi inhlamba ngikhathele ukunithuka sengiyekile nje. Ya sengiyekile phela sengusomabhizinisi manje na sekumele kushintshe nendlela engiyiphatha ngayo nako social media la ngigeze yonke into ngigeze namavideo lawo enhlamba kusamele ngiwaseshe wonke nje ngiwadelete wonke ekwelami page ayosala ke ema page enu ngoba benihlezi ningidownloada njalo ningidownloada anginandaba ke naloko ngekho epage lami kodwa nje ngifuna ukuniklina nje nonke nje nisuke kimi ngeke ngisayithuka nje inhlamba angibongeke ithuba.
In most settler colonies noma kuma koloni amaningi mhlaba wonke, and Africa as a continent has had many infiltrations, and I think looking umubuka ngenhla neAfrica, looking at the northern parts of the African continent, we have a distinct reflection of systematic erasure noma ukuphucuzwa noma ukususwa kobuzwe. Because uma understand ukuthi abantu abagudle iNile River noma izizwe ezakhele iNile River from Egypt to eSudan le enzansi to Congo, zonke lezo zizwe zimnyama ngokwebala, kodwa iGibhithe igcine isinabantu abangamnyama ngokwebala, empeleni abanenkolo ehlukile than the native population, and futhi abanobuzwe obuhlukile than the native population. Nakhona ukungena kwani kwama-Arab eqhamuka ngenhla nomhlaba ngizosho njalo. Lokhu I'm basing it on my personal observation, but not only that, but it's also something historically that can be traced. Ukuthi Nilotic tribes are dark and tall, but namuhla we have a lot of Nilotic tribes that have been erased and have been moved downwards, but shoniswa phansi in Africa. I feel like the same thing is happening in South Africa, and something was very unique about systematic erasure as South Africa eyenzakalayo at the moment, because we went from being called native South Africans under apartheid. We were called natives, we were called black. You understand? And ama-natives ayingenamalungelo, ayingenama-rights, none whatsoever. And then post-apartheid, yaqala yachuma indaba yokuthi native South Africans are actually Khoisans. Nakhona lento yama-Khoisan, it's not quite clear ukuthi obani kahle kahle abama-Khoisan bayayibanga ke lapha bodwa amakhalatha ayayifaka yaliwa nje. I'm not necessarily nje angikhulumi ngabi ngaleyo nto, but there is a bit of an identity crisis lapha. But wena South African obuka le video, you might be wondering ukuthi ngibheke phi nale nkulumo yami. It's intentional ukuthi post 1994 we were no longer called ama-natives, we were no longer called abantu bomdabu, we were no longer called abantu bakulelizwe. Kwashintshwa kwathiwa singabantu nje abaqhamuka enhla neAfrica, of which yona into edayiswayo leyo. But right now we find ourselves futhi sikwi-position la khona where we have a lot of influx of other African countries abeza la, ama-Pakistani, Ethiopians agcwele la eSouth Africa bagcwele, and other neighboring countries bagcwele la eSouth Africa. Into eyenzakalayo, siya move from being South Africans. We are being moved from being native South Africans to just being South Africans. But nakhona there's a systematic disempowerment eyenzakalayo in the process. In the next, uma kukuthi abantu base South Africa, they do not resist now lento yokwanda kwabantu abangabona abalayikhaya. If we do not resist now, and le resistance yethu siyiphushe nje ime iqine futhi okwangempela, we're gonna find ourselves ezweni la khona says intermixile to a degree ukuthi you can no longer tell who is native and who is not native. And a lot of people promote pan-Africanism bazothi, well, it doesn't matter because bonke laba bantu bama Africa unamang, we had borders eAfrica, sasinemncele, sasinezizwe, hence sikhuluma ilimi engafani ngisho phakathi kwayo ke iSouth Africa, the modern day South Africa eyakhandwa eBerlin Conference. I understand that we still have Basotho nations, and uzobathola futhi be concentrated behleli ndawonye. You still have Xhosa Hlubi's, uzoba fica futhi be concentrated behleli ndawonye. So awukwazi ukuthi eAfrica we never had borders to begin with. No, besinemncele futhi sihloniphana, hence izizwe zinezilimi zazo. Sekuhambe iminyaka, we have different versions of dialect. Ngisho isiZulu esikhulunywa Northern KZN nesizulu esikhulunywa Southern KZN asifani, okutshengisayo ukuthi kumixwe abantu ababengafani futhi behlala endaweni engafani, but still abantu imlando can be traced to those lands. Abantu bakhona, you can trace them to those lands. But I'm saying all of this to say there is a systematic erasure eyenzakalayo kubantu base South Africa, native South Africans, and bafuna ukukhipha emhlabeni wakho to a degree that you can no longer identify with the land ohlala kuyo, you can no longer identify with the cultures ohlala kubo, and you can no longer identify with ubuzwe bakho wena as a South African. Because why? Anyone can be a South African. That is the reason. And it is beneficial for the oppressor ukuthi abe nabantu abangazazi ubuzwe babo futhi cast it doubt. eAmerica what they did, babulala, commit a mass genocide to Indian population noma ama-American ayehlala khona. They had to kill them in order for them to occupy their land. eBotswana same thing. The Nam people, I think, nabo babulawa in order for their land to be occupied. In South Africa, excuse me, because for the long time they enslaved the native population for the long time. But la khona uma native population bay release ukuthi ngabe saba enslave by enslave ngamanye ama Africans, we understand. Baqishalanisa ama Africans ukuthi abangaphefumuli laba bangalitholi ngisho ithuba, so that should they rise they will have claims over land, they will have claims over ownership. Should they rise economically, nizoclaim ukuthi umhlaba wenu lo umhlaba wokhokho benu lo. So there must be something ezohleli icindezela native population ngaso sonke isikhathi. It's either siyababulala noma siyabacindezela. So for South Africans, they must always understand ukuthi uma nje wena usaclaim ukuthi ngomdabu wakulelizwe uyisitha se-machinery, uyisitha sabacindezela abangena kulelizwe, and they will make sure ukuthi ba-edana noma yini la ukudilute nibe yisitambu esiyingxube esihlangene sithe for the sake yokuthi kungabi nomuntu in so many years time, in 50 years time kuzoba noNokwanda Mohammed noma kube noNokwanda bani. Because why? There must be a systematic erasure. Ingakho futhi nana ama-indigenous surnames esethathwa ezinye izizwe la South Africa, ingakho uhulumeni evumile leyo nto ngoba na there must be a doubt ukuthi umuntu wena you're a native South African. Nje nange uMohammed Mkhize naye uyi-native South African. What do you mean ukuthi when we native? So abantu base South Africa must always have that in mind ukuthi akuliwa nawe nje just ukulwa nawe, but you are being systematically erased. Uyasuswa ebuzweni bakho, uyasuswa so that ngelinye ilanga uqedwa amandla khona ungasho ukuthi umhlaba wokhokho bethu lo. Because one thing ngami mina, I know exactly my ancestral land, umhlaba abazali bami abakhulela kuwo, I know their lands, I understand. So over generations, as we intermarry and intermix with other races, not even races, with other indigenous Africans, no one can have a legitimate claim over the land. That is the ultimate goal. Because we didn't kill you, even though we wish we did, sizok erase, sizok siusa ebuzweni bakho. Sifuna uthi motu you're a South African, no my friend, that's we South African now. Motu to you're black, that's no my friend, I'm black nje. Motu to a claim, like you will not have a claim over umhlaba, you will not have a claim, and ingakho futhi engeka amalungelo a protector in native South Africans. kukhona kodwa amalungelo protester ini wonke umuntu. You must be mindful of that. Sanibonani, ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. Hey kuningi ngiyi-1. I think I'm here to address izinto ezimbili noma futhi izintathu. Currently I think a lot of creators are promoter indaba ka SACR na reporter on current news when it comes to indaba ye migration in South Africa noma the current failing system yabantu bokufika la e South Africa. They are getting banned. Ama video abo aya shadow ban and uthuya appeala kuthiwa appeal approved kodwa futhi ingasukile yanto yokuthi your video is ineligible for promotion. I'm currently facing that as well, because one thing about government way too, they never really thought ukuthi sizoyeka ukuphuza utshwala, sizoyeka ukudakwa, sinaka ama weekend amakhulu, sibe focused on ipolitiki la South Africa. And babetshela ukuthi le app le we were only gonna use it to jola, to thukana, ukuthi sithukane ngayo, sidanse kube mnandi kube nje yayana. And right now we're very sober minded. They never expected that. And you know, they never expected us to wake up kuleli point as wake up ekulo. And right now bayabona ukuthi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa yini abebeyiplanile siqwashile sibheke kuyo, and we're watching them. So ngithanda uku-encourage bonke abantu who are part of abane patriotism about izwe lethu South Africa to continue posting, to continue making content. Ningame bafowethu while besasivumelile kule platform, masiqhubeke siye phambili. That's one part. Bayawa report amanakuza nama video ethu, baya report nanama link, i-link ye SACR, but asinanking forward we go. Angeke lokho kusimisa. Thing number 2 ebengifisa ukuyi-addressa indaba yokuthi I'm seeing a lot of videos akhuluma ngokuthi abantu bokufika ekuhambeni kwabo bafuna ukubona ukuthi mase behambile are there any job opportunities azo create. At the same time kunabantu futhi who are making videos abasho ukuthi abantu bokufika they were renting. So njengoba bebeziqashi njena kuma apartment ama South Africans noma bebe amale South Africans were landlords to abantu bokufika. Then umbuzo wami uthi mina le mali le abantu bokufika ngoba phela abantu bokufika they are not using they are not taking jobs, they are not using state resources, they are not impacting ama South Africans in any other ways, they are not causing overpopulation emalokishini. There is sufficient infrastructure ukuba accommodate ngoba lonke izwe la emhlabeni uma lenza i-town planning lenza nanoma yini li-budget lenza lisuke li-budgetela abantu balo aba-registered kuma system alo, we understand. So they are not affecting ama South African systems in any way, we understand. Siyakwamukela ke lokho futhi they are not taking any jobs. Pho baphila ngani, barenta ngani? Uma nithi bayarenta, barenta ngani? Uma nithi they're gonna lose ama tenants, what were those tenants doing to earn a living? Are you guys saying ukuthi abantu bokufika they are doing illegal things in South Africa? Uma uthi they are not taking any jobs, of which I agree with that. I completely support that notion. They are not taking any jobs, right? Right. Then what are they renting with? Baya kanjani ebhedlela? What are they living with? Badlani noma abantu bokufika by virtue of being a foreigner like South Africa, you don't need any water, you don't need housing, you don't need anything. Uma berenta ngani? What money were they using to rent? And where did they get that money to rent in the first place? Ngicela nikhulume nodwa lapho. We bantu abahlakaniphile abakwazi ukukhuluma leyo nkulumo, nikhulume nodwa ngoba laba abala phansi abasila ngithi emakhanda bayahlanya mabethi ama job opportunities we are losing out on that. Ngale kokuthi they are selling illicit cigarettes that are impacting i-market and all of that stuff. Angithi they are not impacting the economy in any way. They are not a strain in South Africa's resources in any way. Baphefumula umoya nje bona, they just breathe oxygen. They don't take anything from South Africa. They're not sucking any resources. Then bebe rentangani. I think you guys need to have a sit down nodwa in your chambers. Nikhulume ukuthi uma sithi abathathi any resources from the population, then what are they living on? Barenta ngani, baphila ngani. You understand? In the same breath, you guys are admitting ukuthi basebenza emasalon. You guys are admitting ukuthi bawo carpenter. You guys are admitting ukuthi those are things ebezenziwa ama South Africans at the same time. I think you guys need to sit down decide ukuthi iliphi izwe elilodwa enimove ngalo phambili ngoba for the longest time ben gaslight ama South Africans ngalo nonsense. Moving on, 600 million. Mina as untombe enhle, I think I'm not even a conspiracy theorist. Ngiumuntu nje utadisha izinto ayibuke njengoba zinjengoba South African government will work 10 times harder to keep South Africans from fighting for their own country. South African government will release all the machinery towards combating South Africans who are fighting illegal immigration and unfair and unprecedented migration, even legal. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi they're getting the documents in an illegal manner. South African government will go all out to ensure ukuthi South Africans uyawabopha izandla nenyawo so that they do not fight or resist indaba yok-infiltrate kwabo. South African government is willing to put down money, 600 million, towards what? Towards tying izandla zama South Africans. Why do I say South African government is willing to put out so much money to tie izandla zama South Africans, to cripple South Africans? Uyazi ngobani? If they were serious, bebezokhipha 600,000 uhambe uyonakhuza uyovuselela amabhoda. And inakhona, how come we're expected to trust a government silala sikhona because South African government has failed when it comes to immigration? Why is it ukuthi suddenly uthiwa no, government will do this, the police will take care of that? Since when? Silala sikhona because South African police, South African law enforcement failed to do their job. Home Affairs failed to enforce our laws. They have all failed. Why then are South African citizens being subjected to a failing government, a failing state? Why are they expected to sit back and watch as a failing state? The failing state, it was invest 600 million towards ensuring what is under the South Africans is tied. Mina, I think as untombenhla, this is just my personal opinion. Bantu base South Africa cancel indaba ka 1994. Pretend engathi akwenzakalanga lutho. This is just another machinery yok oppress abantu base South Africa. The native South African nje akakazi sakhululeke icancel lento ka 1994 la ikhanda lakho uyisuse ngoba they always have another plan yokuthi bazokucindezela kanjani. And this time around benze njani bavula igede kwathiwa kungena ama foreign. Donke uhlobo le foreign likhona eSouth Africa. eAfrica. Mina, I think South Africans, I think even if you see this video, we are phoxa ukuthi mina ngisho icancel lento ka 1994 la emqondweni wakho, because why? You were not systematically empowered. For the last 30 years, you were not systematically empowered. You were not systematically empowered. Empeleni ama trade jobs infiltratiwe. Yonke into obungayibamba kukhulunywa ukuthi ama South Africans akwazi ukwenza lokho, ku infiltratiwe lokho. Sisele nesingisi nje esikhulu. You understand? So I think South Africans finally understand ukuthi this is apartheid 2.0. It's another version of apartheid. And into ebuhlungu salaliswa ngo1994 inqondo yethu yadonywa. Satshela ukuthi sinenkululeko. Inkululeko, we never had it. Ukube kwakunenkululeko, there would have been systematic insurance yokuthi aba South Africans, they have foothold in the spaza market before kungena ama Pakistan. There would have been a systematic assurance ukuthi South Africans ba bricklayer. You understand? Before kungena abanye abantu bakwezinye izizwe. There would have been a foothold in the market when it comes to building infrastructure, amatenda, yonke leyo nto le. South Africans would have had a foothold in the market. And the lost 600 million, mina guys, ngiyawazi exactly ukuthi ushonephi. Amabhunu nje lawa ahleli lapha yana nabelungu bakhona ongciwa bala South Africa. But this is such a great opportunity for us to make money. Because they own private companies, private security companies. Iwona we guys nazothola ini le tender le. Yokwenza yokuprotector ama South Africans ngalela langa. And ngasho guys inapha mangami ngasho ngathi government wethu he will go all out to ensure ukuthi ukubopha izandla nenyawo as a South African. Ngasho nganitshela, I told you, nganitshela ngathi nje South African government will go all out to ensure ukuthi ukubopha izandla nenyawo. You cannot resist. They will make sure that your rights and liberties are not exercised when as a South Africans. You're not protected. Empeleni, they will protect abantu bokufika more than they can protect you. Ngakutshela ngathi the interest yabantu bokufika zoprotectwa yini na the constitution yethu is fundamentally flawed. It is South Africa belongs to all those who live in it. Yebo, it's a misinterpretation. Ngiyibona nibhala la, but NGOs are using that and they're exploiting it. Qhubekani support to SACR. God, I want us South Africans to be mindful of everything in South Africa. We never received the freedom. We never received the freedom. Empeleni siku apartheid 2.0, and you guys must know. Ukuthi apartheid 2.0 ithathe umuntu omnyama yambeka phambi kwakho. Right now, if you want to place blame, kufanele place blame on a black government. Uma kuukuthi khona odla ama resources akho, it's black people. So right now, abantu futhi they are busy appealing to immoral yakho ukuthi you as a no. umuntu obehave like isitha sakho, whether ufaka imask ufaka ubuso obumnyama noma ubuso obunjani, isitha sakho. Umuntu othatha isinkwe emlonyeni wasakho isitha sakho leso. Uthanda ungathandi. And right now everyone wants South Africans ukuthi babe ne high moral compass. Why else apartheid ayina high moral compass? Ngeke silale sidla moral. If le video iyimbi ngiyaxolisa, but angeke silale sidla moral. And it's funny how abantu abahlakaniphile they have understanding yokuthi isitha asiyekanga ukulwa nathi. Kodwa futhi they don't believe ukuthi isitha can fight us through other Africans.